Hi everyone, welcome back to the Logging Aid channel. Today for this video of Logging Aid, I will be showing you how to fix TikTok video resolution not supported at this time. So for that, what you need to do is open the TikTok application. The main cause of this issue is when you film a video outside of TikTok and then try to upload it from your gallery. Most modern phones can film way over 180p quality. However, at the moment, TikTok only allows video resolution up to 1080p. So if you have filmed a video at 4K on your cell phone and try to upload it on TikTok, it would not allow that resolution. So as you can see, the glitch or the uploading process to be disturbed while trying to upload that video on TikTok. It will give you a resolution error on your phone. So to fix this, we just need to change the resolution of that video. So for the Android device, what you can do is you can just go to your gallery, change the resolution of the video that you want to post it on your TikTok. If your phone or if your device does not support this kind of feature where you can change the resolution of the video from the gallery, you can download a third-party application. So from the App Store, you can download an app, open the Play Store, download the app in short and tap on search, tap on install and download that application. Tap upon the app once the downloading process is completed. So this InShot application has the feature to change the resolution of your video from the phone. You just tap upon the video. So here you can tap on save once the changes have been made. On the save options, you will have the option to choose the resolution of that video. Here you can choose the options, that is resolution over here. Tap that and from there you will have the option to choose that resolution 720p or 180p, or there's 4K as well. If you want to add, you have the plus as well. From there you can customize the video resolution from here. Once you choose the video resolution, you tap on save and it will change the video resolution to a different one. Once the video is saved, you can go back to TikTok and upload the video that you have just changed the resolution to. And that's how you fix the TikTok video resolution not supported at this time. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Logging Aid channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.